So yeah, that little contraption that I used to unblock radiators, or the rig, or it's just something I rigged together a couple of years ago when we had radiators that were blocked. It just unblocked them, and when you see it, it's so simple. So here are the parts that you're going to need to connect it together. So to start with, you're going to need 4 flexible connectors. So these are just off filling valves. 4 of them. T, compression T. 2 isolation valves, like that. Them are just off filling valves as well. And the last piece was the Fernox connector, which I don't know what it is. Hold on. I've got it. There it is. So you know when you put the Fernox in the radiators and they come with all the adapters, that's it. That'll fit onto your foot pump, believe it or not. Yeah, I know. Start off with your T. Connect the flexi to each side. So you got something like that. One of your pipes to come off. Put your isolator. Another flexi. Before you get it on. Hold on. I've got it. Middle one. You're going to put another isolator. To that first one. And then the end one, you're going to put that adapter piece. There you go. As simple as that. Well, I'm going to show you how it works. We actually done a little experiment on this, so check this out. Before though, give us a follow, give us a like, because we're full of good plumbing hacks, trust me. Isolate your radiator either end, just make sure it's isolated by opening up the bleed point. Then just crack that bottom nut on the TRV just slightly, so you can just swing it round. You've got good access now. You can see on this one, the video we did the other day, we had no circulation coming through that. But by the time we'd use this little contraption, it had good flow coming through it. Just check it out, this is how it works. TRV off, and get the one end connected up to your rig. Get your foot pump attached, and just make sure that it's pumping round. You can use the part that goes in the bucket just to check that the air is coming out. Then turn that off. Open up your TRV. And we're going to use a dog treat for a blockage. The gaffer can go and get it. Just make sure that was nice and blocked. Got Jacob to help me out on this one. You start pumping away. You'll see in a minute, it'll pop out. Just like that. There you go, gaffer's fed. And you can actually build up the pressure so it knocks the blockage like an hammer. The isolation valve there, turn it off and just pump up your foot pump. How high you want to go is up to you. Sometimes I've gone pretty high, to be fair, to get a blockage out before. Pump that up, get it up to a good pressure. Once you open up that isolation valve, watch it fly. That's it. As simple as that. That will unblock radiators, trust me. And if that don't work, I'll do know another way. But I ain't giving away all my trade secrets, am I? There you go. What do you say, Jacob?
Job's a good one.
Job's a good one.